right, we're back here. We're back in Silver Lake. We have a few units that we're renovating right now. We wanted to get back in front of you guys and show you what we're doing. We're at various stages of each of the renovations. One of them is about 93% complete. The next one is about halfway there, and then the last one we're going to get started in the next couple days.
So let's pop inside.
All right, we'll pop inside, flip this around, and show you guys around. Hit it.
So again, we're in Silver Lake. This is our 11 unit that we bought. This was November 2022. You guys have seen one of the units that we fully renovated with all the brass finishes, gold finishes, really cool tile. So as Eliyahu said, we have a studio that's basically at the final stage. We're already on the leasing market. We have a larger studio that will probably be finished by in the next 5 to 7 days. And then we have another bachelor, which will be ready in about, well, we're going to start construction. It'll probably take about 2 weeks, smaller scope. So let's go inside. So they're actually all three kind of next to each other, which is pretty cool. So we built in this private patio here. One of the things that still needs to be done is we just got to refinish it. We're going to restain it like a really nice brown to go with the green. So it gives it like a really cool private patio, which I think is a huge selling point because this unit is a little bit on the smaller side. Electronic, oh.
Such a difference.
Yeah, if I can push it open. So show this little patio. We got to remove this tree. That's one other thing that still needs to be done. And so you have about about 3 feet of like really cool patio. Yeah,
it's great for both having storage. You have a bike, you want to put it somewhere. Also, if you want to work from home, set up a table and chair out there.
So really cool front door. I really like this front door. Show the electronic. And then you basically walk into your bedroom, living room, dining room. So it is a little tight in here, but the proximity to sunset, I mean, this location is irreplaceable. And then you have the outdoor. You have AC unit, you have heat, ceiling fan. And then as you come over here, you have the bathroom on the way to the kitchen. So we kept all this tile, the floor tile. The shower was pretty cool already. We just put in new light fixtures. New mirror, I believe, as well. New knobs. We painted the whole thing. And then here's the kitchen. So we got a new stove, new faucet, and a new fridge over here. So definitely it's like perfect for, let's say like you're a single person, want to live in the action. You probably work a lot. You're not home that much. I believe the tenant who actually lived here before had a desk in here as well. I think
a desk and a couple birds.
And a couple birds. So I think the desk was where you're standing and then the bed was here. So this was like a minor touch up because I think there's like a threshold to rent here. So we didn't feel like we had to go spend the 30, 40,000 that we always spent. We spent maybe 10 grand really cleaning it up, making it presentable, and then building this patio, which I think this was like the big value add.
This is the biggest value add, yeah.
So now let's go into this studio that's probably 75% done.
It really feels like, I'm looking at in the camera, it really feels like an oasis. We're down the block from Sunset, but you don't feel like you're in the middle of the city. It's really beautiful.
So here, we'll just do a quick, you can see they already put in new flooring. So the new flooring is in. Again, really cool French windows. So here you walk into kind of like the bedroom, living room, dining room, much bigger space in here, which is great. They still need to paint and do tile in the, I think they ran flooring in the kitchen, but not in the bathroom, but they have tiled the shower and the cabinets have started to go in. So these are our standard cabinets if you want to come in here. The other thing that we did is we framed up, there was like a back entrance here that we didn't really need, so we were able to make this kitchen a lot more functional. So our standard white shaker cabinets, we're doing the brass theme, and then we're going to do subway tile, backsplash everywhere. And you could flip around and show the subway tile in the shower. So everything's still being done. I think, I would say like another 7 to 10 days will be done. And then when we go to lease, we're not going to build it out yet, but if a tenant wants a cool patio, we can build something over here.
And then here's the last unit. It's a bachelor. It's the smallest of the three.
Yeah.
But it has really good outdoor space.
Yeah,
so
if you come up here, you can see the views looking into the hills of Silver Lake, kind of towards Echo Park, and then you actually have like a little glimpse of downtown. So kind of like a nice little balcony, and then we can show it now, we're looking at building a private patio over here for this tenant.
So we'll start right about here, and then go the distance down to about here.
So this one is, the first studio that we showed was probably 225 square feet. The second one was probably around 275. And then this is probably 175 square feet. It's almost like a hotel room, it feels like.
Great natural light though. There's so many windows in here.
Yeah, the windows are huge. Let me see if I can.
Got windows basically all around.
Here, maybe I could at least show off what it looks like.
Yeah.
So here, like the flooring is in really good shape. So you have really cool windows, a lot of natural light. You already have recessed lights put in. So here we're just gonna paint, clean up the unit. We're gonna look to do new countertop, put on some new handles, but kind of just amplify the space.
Yeah.